Robins Air Force Base is one of the largest employers in the state, and it has put measures in place to keep the air clean for residents and to save some money too. Rachel Schaerr has today's Going Green, Saving Green.
Paints, solvents, and other chemicals used in painting military aircraft are responsible for 90% of air pollution on base.
The primer portion of the paint has got chromium in it, which is a carcinogen. We've reduced those materials by about 30% for aircraft.
Todd Lavender oversees the daily operation of painting aircraft. The base has invested millions of dollars in emitting as little hazardous material as possible.
What this machine does is we get it in 55-gallon drums, transfer it over to the containers here. It automatically mixes it into the system, and then we dispense it into whatever quantity we want into the container to take it out and paint the aircraft.
Before they came up with the new technology, it used to take 400 gallons of paint just to finish one of these C5s. Today they bypass paint cans altogether.
There's no longer any 1-gallon cans. We get 55-gallon drums, and then the manufacturer actually takes the drums back and recycles them, and we have no waste product to deal with.
The sprayer used to apply the paint is also more efficient. Thanks to new technology, less paint is wasted and fewer particles are emitted into the air.
We're also looking at cost reduction, so anytime I can save money on materials, equipment, labor, and so forth, you know, it's a plus up. And every project that we're talking about right here has reduced, cost associated with the process.
Minimizing air pollution is something workers at the base don't take lightly.
When you're dealing with hazardous materials, it's a cradle-to-grave philosophy, and there's a lot of risk associated with it.
They're constantly working with pollution prevention programs to look at new and innovative technology to reduce pollutants.
You're responsible from the very moment you open that can to the time that it's no longer on this planet. I mean, I think you can draw your own conclusions that if you use less of it, it's better for everybody.
In Houston County, Rachel Schaerr for 41 NBC News.
Employees at Robins say they're ahead of the curve when complying with air emission standards. The Air Force is currently working with the EPA on developing a new rule for hazardous pollutants.